Alright you guys, so if you would like to know how I created this easy Halloween tutorial for you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jasmine. So today I'm bringing you another Halloween tutorial. So if you want to make sure how I did this, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I already have my foundation set up and my eyebrows done already. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is apply some glitter on the eyebrows. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this glitter pop from Too Faced, which is this one right here. I'm just going to grab some and apply these on my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and use my Profusion blush, and with my bronzer brush I'm going to go ahead and grab this great color, which is this one right here. And I'm just simply going ahead and apply this and just make my special features stand out. So then I'm going to grab this blush from pink color and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the cheek as well. Now I'm going to use my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and I'm going to be grabbing this purple and I will use that as my transition color. Now for my eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and apply this white pencil, and this is just going to make my eyes stand out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some shimmer into my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline, and this is an Expert Wear, and the color is Vanilla, which is this. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Love You So Mochi, and I'm going to be using this like light blue color right here. Now going back with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, I'm going to go ahead and use this darker pink eyeshadow and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on top of the white lid. Now I'm going to start focusing on the lower lash line and I'm going to simply apply some pink color and then I will apply some purple on the side. Now I'm going in with the darker purple now. And this is the same NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, just in case if you guys are wondering, I'm still using the same colors. Now I'm going to line my eye using the Maybelline Master Precise. You guys already know this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes off camera, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so now that I have already applied my fall eyelashes, I will highlight my cheeks, on top of my cheeks, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild color icon, and this is in the ombre blush. It looks like this. I will go over the nose, on the lip, right here. And now for my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Dreamer, and this is the number 10. And this is from the Superstay Matte Ink. Now I am going to use some more pink on top of this lipstick, and I'm going to use the Mary Kay Pink Cherry. It looks like this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some pink glitter flakes, and I went to Walmart and I shopped it. I went to Walmart and I bought it for $3.98, which is, this is the brand of what I'm gonna be using. So here's what the adhesive looked like. So I hope this doesn't ruin my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and apply just a little bit right here. Just right where I want this to be glitter. And I'm gonna be using these flakes right here. It's really nice and sparkling. I don't know if you guys can really tell. That's what it looks like. Once you open it, this is how you remove the lid, and this is how it looks. Now I'm grabbing this, and I'm gonna simply grab some and then add it. So this thing does work for what it costs. I do recommend it. Just be careful because it can fall out just a bit. So make sure you apply enough adhesive glue on it. Now I am going to go ahead and apply a little bit of more adhesive glue up here because I do like the way it looks. So I'm just gonna add some more. And I'm going to apply a little bit more details, which is this little gem stickers that I have, and these were only $8. And I'm gonna use the same adhesive so that way it sticks to my face. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and add some. Now here I have my Urban Decay Moon Dust palette, and I'm just simply gonna go ahead and grab some more glitter, and this is from this, I'm gonna be using this Spectre color right here. Fine. And now it's time for me to put the wig on. Alright you guys, so I got the wig on, and if you guys are wondering where I got this wig from Target. You can get it there for, I think it's $10 for the wig. So alright you guys, so here you have my unicorn look for this Halloween tutorial. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys really soon. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Happy Halloween.